optional PVC bottom track onto the base of the panel. Slide the PVC joiner onto the support post and position the weights. Slide the panel into the PVC joiner, ensuring it engages over the positioning lug on the base plate. Fit panel onto the next support post with PVC joiner, ensuring it engages over the positioning lug. Push the PVC bottom track down to touch the floor. Continue adding support posts, joiners and panels until you reach the desired length. To create a corner, fit the bottom corner connector and a PVC corner. Continue fitting panels and joiners until you reach the desired length. Secure weights to the base plate using the correct length bolt. Insert a top corner connector on all corners. Fit the optional PVC top track onto the top of the panel.